Exchange is basically a mail server. Okay, Exchange is basically a mail server. So mail server. Okay, Exchange is a mail server. Okay, mail server means what is the duty of mail server? It receive a mail and it will send a mail. Okay, so you have a mail server. It means mail IDs are there. You have to create a mail IDs in the mail server. Users access mails, send mails from their end. So what they need a mail ID and a password. So when you create a email ID, password automatically generated, or you can give a password. So users can able to send a mail. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So you want to manage mail server in generally on premises. You require Active Directory environment, Exchange environment, and servers, storage servers. Okay, storage environment is required. Like that, the cost, infrastructure, management, cost, people is increases. Again, the more burden on organization. So how to reduce? We move to the cloud. So what is the cloud service? Office 365 Exchange or Microsoft 365 Exchange. Office 365 Exchange or a Microsoft Exchange. Microsoft 365 Exchange. So what it is? Simply log into Office 365 business account, go to Exchange option, create a domain. So otherwise tell this belongs to which domain you are belongs to it. In that one you can create a number of accounts and user easily can able to send like you can create an account. If you want to send a mails through Google, sorry, you want to send a mail through group mails you want to send it. You can create a groups or teams. You can send like a mail is one, but we are sending to 10 people. So put all 10 people into a group, send to the group. So 10 people receive the mail. So that is how creating a group. Next, we are in a different domain and you want to send a mail to different domains. Like for example, we are in a contoso.com. You want to send the mail to gmail.com, yahoomail.com, outlook.com. So how to send? So you have to mention. So you have a two-way communication between your domain to other domains. So your domain name and domain name mail servers must be registered in the DNS. Then only we can able to communicate. Mail server, IP address, mail server, domain name, the domain name and domain name, IP address, exchange, we are using mail services. MX records should be registered in a DNS, the DNS servers. So that is must be there. Okay. So, and other things are basic common things only. That is about your mail server. Next one is SharePoint. SharePoint is also one of the tool. Okay. So some people call this one as a directly Office tool. Okay. Office.exe. Earlier we have a, if you want to download a SharePoint, that is office.exe, office 2003.exe. That's the file it is there. Okay. SharePoint is used to share documents, data, documents or any data. So docs means mainly, SharePoint is mainly for documentation too within users, within organization. SharePoint used to share documents or data, whatever it is, you can use it. It is actually collaboration. Normally there is a lot of words are there, but I try to explain very simple way. I'm trying to explain simple way. Like if you like this kind of scenario, same thing I will tell. First, I will try to explain what is a SharePoint, and of course, There is always a difference, guys. You want to build a SharePoint. Again, you need an Active Directory environment, Exchange environment, DNS environment, okay? And every server required a failovers. Every server, hardware, operating system, application licenses, hardware, operating system, application licenses, networking, network protections, physical security, network security, okay? IT infrastructure management, physical infrastructure management, you have to maintenance costs. So what to do? Move to cloud. So in a cloud, Office 365, SharePoint. Office 365, SharePoint is there. In the SharePoint, you add a users and give them to access, create certain things so other people can able to access, or only he can able to access kind of stuff, can able to do it. But what is the main aim of this SharePoint? What is the main aim of this SharePoint? We'll see. Organization, multiple people are working, right? So multiple different type of people are working. So for example, I have a group of 10 people are there. Okay, there is a 10 people are there. These 10 people are working on a particular project. Particular project. Okay, project ABCD. Okay, the project name is project ABC. Okay, now what they will do, they create a blogger. Very simple. You know the blogger, right? People are knowing now vloggers, video loggers. You know what is a blogger? Blogger is like on a website or in a news we write a blogs. Blog means about a certain topic you write your opinion or kind of stuff. Like that blog, the team leader write about a project details. This is the project. This is the information. These are the changes. This is the client information. This is the test information. Members in the project, and I will give a access management, like these users can able to access, these users can able to change. Okay, like that I given. So what is the advantage of it? In my organization, people who are working in this project can able to view the project status. What is the working status? I no need to send email to everyone. Okay, so this is the work completed. This part of work completed are not required. It is a collaboration. Collaboration. What is meaning of collaboration means we design a pipeline. Okay, in that one you have everybody as per their work is done. They have to update. Like even for us also they created some pipelining kind of stuff. Excel sheet only, nothing more. Okay, so they said this is a tracker kind. Okay, so thing is, you have to like where is my SharePoint? Here it is. Okay, this is my SharePoint. The first time I created this site like a 70s ACAD, ACAD, like a NetAcad is there, no? Same thing. I think Drive also I created or what? So this is the group I created. So look at this one. In this one, I created a group and I put some documents inside. Okay, this is my documents. This is someone's documents. Welcome note. Okay. So and here in this one, anybody can able to post, but not everybody. To whom I have allowed, so they can post. You can see the members. Okay, owners. Who is the owner? Like this. Owners. Remaining are members. I am a owner because I created, and Pawni, Sahiti are owners. Remaining are just the members only. Members can able to view data, cannot able to create a data. Okay, so like this, I create some conversation. See conversation I can able to create. Okay, the conversation related to that particular group. So what is the group conversation happens? Also, we can able to see it, but it is went so far. I want back. Okay. So like this, conversations, teams, publish, republish. Okay. Notebooks, pages, site contents, recycler bin, edit options also there. Okay. You can create anything like a list, document libraries, page, post, link, plan, apps. You can able to create it. So for example, the last login 2018 till that date we didn't post. Like, these are other activities by different users are there. See, document sharing. This is the documents shared by different users in the group. Okay, this the post is added. Welcome notice added here. Okay, how many views it is happened? How many likes, saves, posted, edited, promote, like this within organization only. Normally, YouTube is public view purpose, but this is not a public view. For example, if I share a video in a streams, if I put a video, whatever the class video, if I share in these streams, okay, so within my organization can able to view the stream, what we are teaching or streaming kind of stuff. Okay, within organizations, invite your co-workers. Okay, it is only applicable and view purpose is um, only for one organization only, not for outsiders. But it is streaming service like YouTube, like YouTube. Okay, so that is our one thing. This also we collaborate, we write a blogs like that. So if you take normal blogger, so if you take forms, blogs, sites, I created a site, right? Google site. Okay, this is the Google site I created. So whatever the thing I wanted, I'll put it here. Like I can able to share it. So what it is like that. I can able to share the information. Okay, so like this, how to configure Outlook. Okay, so this is a video blogger. Sorry, this is like a text message type. Same thing. YouTube is like when I want to share information to the public, like I can use it. Same thing goes in Office 365. Stream is a video related one, which we can able to share, view, access within the organization only. And of course, you don't get any money. So my content, discovery, plus create a content, upload a video, channels, record a screen or a video kind of stuff. It is also showing. Okay. This is the thing I created about description. Someone is given. Okay. Automatically mail IDs came up. Apps also we can link to this SharePoint. I think you already got a confusion. Okay, it's very simple. New post. For example, I'm creating a page, a blog, a page like that. So blank or visual, or I'm going to basic test like this. I'm creating a page. Now it is a page is created. Now I want to share some information. Okay, so I'm going to add a name like this. Okay, so I'm adding like this is a DevOps node. For example, I want to create a DevOps node. Okay, so that is it become a title or I have to save like this. Next, I want to put a Agile. No. First one is in a DevOps is SDLC. What is SDLC? Anyone? Guys?
Software development
Software
lifecycle.
development.
Very good. Software development lifecycle. Anybody will tell what are the software development lifecycle? Starting one. What is the second one? What is third one? Requirement gathering, planning. Hello, CSC. No, CSC guys are not there. Designing, planning, designing, build, test, deploy, maintain. Correct or wrong? People are not speaking at all. Is any mistakes are there?
No, sir.
Requirement gathering, actually planning is not required, so plan, design, okay, plan, design, build, test, deploy, maintain the project. So this is the software development life cycle. Again, I'm writing this one. Guys, are you understanding what I'm doing? Hmm? Are you understanding what I am trying to do?
Sir, understood.
So what is Agile? I'm actually try to revise your subject. Okay, so this is the reference. Go to what is Agile. So this is my DevOps notes. First is life cycle. I created a page. Guys, anybody will tell DevOps life cycles? Continuous, development, continuous testing, and now one is continuous integration, continuous deploy, continuous monitoring. These are the five life cycles of DevOps life cycles. So what is the meaning of DevOps? Agile in development. Okay. Agile in operation. So this is meaning of DevOps. DevOps means development ops operation. I'll reduce this one. Anybody will tell what are the tools we use in DevOps? Git, Jenkins, Maven, Docker. Tell me anything. Grant, iOS,
SolarWinds.
SolarWinds, very good. JUnit, Selenium, Puppet, Ansible.
Chef.
Very good. Very good. Chef. Okay. Good. So GitHub. This question will come up, right? So GitHub. Okay. So what is the Git? Git is a source code management, used for a source code management. Git is a source code management. Okay. Centralized version control or distributed version controls are there. So it is a version control related one. Version control service, VCS. Version control. Okay. Important is source code management. So just the keywords only, just the keywords on wise only I'm writing. VCS, DVSS, distributed version control, source code management related things. Okay, it's actually it is a small application. A small application, use it to source code or a version control related one. It's an application. GitHub, Git buckets. Okay, not Git bucket. Okay, GitHub, Git bucket. Okay, there's a few more things are there. This underlines always criminal things. Okay, or just store your source code. Of course, it is belongs to source code management. Maintain. This is used to store your source code. You can upload or download whenever it is you want it. Okay. Anybody will tell what is the use of Jenkins?
Continuous delivery.
Integration. Integrating all other tools by Jenkins. What is unit test. Unit test. You don't need it to learn JUnit, Selenium. If you are a tester, definitely you should learn. If you are not a tester, not required to learn. What happened? Can you able to hear? Someone is send a message.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? It is giving a shock. That's why. This is made me crazy like this. It is. Wantedly it is doing this kind of stuff. That's why I stop editing in the web pages. Otherwise, I can write a notes in my in here only. Okay, in my site itself, I can put everything here only. Selenium is also test purpose only, software testing purpose only. Ant is different. Ant is for a build purpose. Okay. So every software having a build test kind of stuff, right? So like it is a build tool, build, executing, packaging kind of stuff will be there. Maven. So I didn't use Ant, but I use Maven. It is a test. It will test using JUnit. JUnit test is built in. JUnit test is there. It will build. Also, it will do package. Like a converter into package kind of stuff. You will get it. Building and packaging is there. Testing is not there. So remember that one. Okay. Puppet. Anybody tell Puppet? Deployment tool. What is Chef? continuous deployment tools only. Ansible, CRM, configuration management tools. Okay, configuration management, Ansible, agentless protocol, agentless. Ansible don't have agents, but it uses SSH. How I know? Because I configured once for a testing purpose. It is also for deployment. Okay, configuration manager. Okay, so we can use YAML language. We use a YAML language for deployment. Sometimes some people take Python, and also for connecting it use SSH. Okay, no brokers, no message brokers, kind of stuff. Docker, container, virtualization, maintain images and containers. Can anybody tell what is Nagi OS?
Monitoring tool.
Monitoring tool. SolarWinds is actually a organization. SolarWinds is an organization, but in SolarWinds there's a different applications also there. Most of the applications we use it for a monitoring. That's why I written. Not only that one, so New Relic. Okay, New Relic, app dynamic. Okay, so these are also used for continuous monitoring purpose. Lot of things are there. Okay, I written only one or two example for that one. Okay, that one. So here it is also what it is doing. In this one also development life cycles, but we have a pattern is also there. Like you can go to first one is plan, build. Okay, plan, build, plan, design, build, test. Test, packaging kind of stuff is also there. Next, integrate. Okay, these two are continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration. Or Notepad is much better than anything. Okay, operate, sorry, deploy, okay, and operate. Monitor. So this is a basic Office DevOps notes. Whenever it is come to the DevOps, SDLC, software development life cycles. What is Agile manifesto? There is a 12 principles are there. So you have to go to the 12 principles. I am not explaining that one, so compulsory go for that one. Next, what are the DevOps life cycles? Continuous development, testing, integrations, deployment, and monitoring. So different tools we use in a DevOps, because DevOps is not a single application. DevOps is not a single application. DevOps is a combination of multiple applications. That too used for different things. Okay, so this is a kind of stuff. Guys are okay? Understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Your DevOps revision is small. At least some part of DevOps is revised. So I'm publishing it. So if anyone is like you can copy this address and you can send through the mails, YAML, save page templates, post news on this site, add pages to navigate. Like I can send these pages through sites also. Like that you can able to send it. Like I'm sending through mail. Okay, so for example, I want to share this information to Madhu sir. Okay, and Sai sir. Maybe Pavani madam. Okay, Charan sir. Okay, it is searching. Okay, so Charan sir, automatically it is came. Who are there? Trainers or anything. Okay, yeah, we'll go to that one. So maybe your Sudeshna madam. Sudeshna madam. Okay, like that. So we can share to them, so then they can also view. Okay, and also you can check it. Please the page and page. Also thank notes. If you want to put a thank note, also you can put a thank note. Thank you. Right. They understand with me. Send. So I send. So they in their mail they got this page. So what is the advantage? Entire my details are there, so they can able to access whenever they want to access it. Okay. So it is giving a survey kind of stuff also. Yeah, background is edit. Okay, so the background you can't able to change the background. Okay, yeah, it is there. Change image is there. Web search. See, web search. OneDrive also you can change. Upload also there. Upload is there. I'm doing a web search. I am searching for a DevOps image or my company logo. I will search it. Or by Bing, and it is nothing is searching. I press enter. Yes. So this is the good one. I feel insert. Okay. Maybe may not be. Track to this focus line. Yeah, maybe. It should be small and it is become big. Now, Bala. Add pages, add apps, republish. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing, right? So copy. I am trying to access from other place from my Google one. So we'll see. It is asking email ID. That too, 70's email ID. Okay. So guys understand who can able to access. This is the page I created, but when I trying to access from other web browser, what it is asking email ID. Who can able to access this page?
Anyone with link?
Anyone with link. So
Yeah.
this is the link. This is my some other browser. Here I didn't log in with any 70's thing. Okay. Look at here. It is asking authentication. If I share that link to you, we can't access. If I share the link to Madhu sir or Sai sir, they can access.
Only in
What is the
organization.
Very good. Very good. Okay, that is the difference within the organization only. Okay, you have a link, but you cannot able to access. You need authorization. Username, password, or email IDs should be verified. Then only people can able to access. Okay. So small point for I think so. Guys, these are 12 principles. At least 4 principles. Read it, and very important is frequent changes. First 4 or 5 are very important. So just go through once. Agile is very important. Why? Because of compared to SDLC, Agile is fast and frequent changes acceptable and continuous delivery. Okay. Yeah, I'm satisfied with DevOps approach. I don't know you understand SharePoint or not. Okay, so this is the thing. So like we can create a pages and share pages. Okay, where it is. I can open another SharePoint. Okay, you can create a groups. You can create a sites. You can create a post. Okay, this is the site here, like a create new site. Okay, you want to put a you are not allowed to create a team sites. Okay, I don't have a rights for writing a sites because I'm not admin. Okay, so you can create your own sites within the organization. You can create a post. You can create a pages. You can add a pages. Okay, you can create a teams. Okay, like that within the organization. So what is the purpose of? For sharing information, data, application, documentations, we can able to share it. Okay, so this is it is asking my sites. So if I created any sites, it is news kind of stuff, blogs, we can able to do it. So that is a SharePoint. I think you guys understand SharePoint and DevOps. How I combine. Okay, I'm stop recording.